Alright, welcome back. This is the Notebook Organization for Honor Statistics. This is Chapter 1 in the spring semester 2013. Chapter 1 deals with data graphs and statistical measures. The first thing after your divider should be weekly sheet number 3 for week 3. Has the birds over here on the icy pond, and after that are your class notes or your reading notes for chapter 1. That's your first assignment. After those should be a worksheet that looks like this with the histograms, followed by the stem and leaf plots, and I'm trying to go a little faster so I don't create quite this big of a video. You should have this flowchart sheet, and on the back of it is your tip sheet for the first couple assignments, followed by assignment number 2 of the chapter. The next couple sheets are how to use your calculator to make graphs and how to transfer and link between two calculators. Assignment number 3, the Ogive worksheets. It's 2 worksheets stapled together, and followed by the double Ogive for the men and women's cell phone use. Assignment number 4, chapter 1, number 4 is next. Some of the classes got the percentile worksheets and some didn't, so don't worry if you don't have this. Next, we form our own ogives, our cumulative relative frequency charts, the have data, and on the back of it is the pace data, followed by the ogive that we created of the have data, and on the back of that, the pace data. Then we have the reading notes for Chapter 1, Section 2, and there's 2 days of that, Part A, and then Part B, which was the measures of spread and variance and standard deviation. Followed by Week 4 worksheet with Martin Luther King's picture on it. We have next our box plot worksheets, and one packet has 4 of those worksheets, plus probably a separate one that we did in class. You may have your teeny tiny box plot in here. Then we have a tips sheet for assignments 7, 8, 9. This is assignment 7B. 7A was one of the box plot worksheets. We have this as a warm-up that we did, analyzing box plots. We have our standard deviation worksheet. On the front is one big standard deviation, and on the back are the 2 small standard deviations, smaller worksheets, followed by assignment 8. You may have another box plot worksheet, and we have now week 5, which was our snow day week. Assignment number 9, bookwork. Assignment number 10, you had a worksheet like this to place your answers on for assignment number 10, which was multiple choice, and then there were a couple optional problems that I never actually assigned with football players. On the back of that is the American and National League Baseball. Then we have a standard deviation worksheet that looks like this. We have our beginning of data transformations worksheet and a tip sheet that may be already in your notebook because I think on the back side was the answer sheet for number 10. Number 11 was bookwork. We did this assignment as a test review, this worksheet, and this test review assignment. On the back side we have the double ogive. We did this assignment in groups, a box and whisker plot trying to decide how many 20s we could have and things. This is assignment number 12. It was the truncated or chopped off data set to make an eventual box plot down below. And somewhere along the line we have this percentile worksheet. And the last thing was worksheet number 13, which was a multiple choice worksheet. And I don't have that with me. I'll have to put it in later, but there is one more thing. It is chapter 1, number 13, and it is a multiple choice worksheet. If you don't have your notebook formed exactly like this, that's okay. Just try to have it in a pretty good order for me.